You caught the attention of Bill O'Reilly. Could you ever believe that was going to happen?
I never actually thought that my name and that name would ever be in one sentence, I must say.
And this was he basically was saying you were glorifying single motherhood.
I was actually glorifying 12-year-olds going out there and getting knocked up and doing it by themselves. Because that's what I like to preach. I mean, that was one of the
usually you don't respond to this kind of thing. Why did you decide to respond?
I just felt it needed. It was begging for a response. It was just such an unfair statement that he made against me. And you know, people say things about me all the time, and you just kind of go, oh, whatever. But this was not just about me. It was also saying something, insulting women that are out there doing this on their own. I was raised by my mother was single. You know, I mean, it doesn't always start off that way, but sort of life it happens.
And you're right, the movie is a celebration of family. It is. It's family. And like he says, the most beautiful line is at the end when he says to Goldblum, when he says, you know, Wally, just go home, you know, drink it off. And he says, but they are my home. Like, home's where the heart is.